It's time to get dirty. We're working on a Husqvarna FE350 and carrying out routine spoke maintenance in this video, but it applies equally to other dirt bikes. We recommend you read the relevant sections of your bike-specific workshop manual before starting. Spoke maintenance is an important, routine task for your dirt bike. Get your bike up on a stand so that the wheels can be rotated freely during the job. Depending on how long it is since you checked your spokes, or how loose your spokes are, make small tightening adjustments no more than a quarter turn of the spoke nipple. The technique is to pick a starting spoke. I'm using the blue valve stem dust cap as my start point. Then, begin tightening every fourth spoke in small increments. 3 rotations of the wheel will ensure you tighten each spoke. If your spokes are really loose, you will need to perform this exercise several times. It can be quite time-consuming, but be patient and avoid any distractions. The only tool you need is the spoke spanner. Make sure you have the correct one for your bike. Locate your start point and your first spoke. Tighten the spoke, count 1, 2, 3 to the next spoke as shown. Tighten that spoke and continue all the way round the wheel, tightening as you go. You can observe how little I'm tightening the spoke. Small increments will make sure you don't pull the rim out of true. Nobody wants a wobbly wheel. We're back to the start point. Next, tighten the spoke adjacent to your starting spoke. Continue as before for a full rotation. One more rotation of tightening and each spoke will have been torqued up. It's a bit tedious, but take your time. Count correctly and don't over-tighten. You'll notice some spokes are looser than others. It may take several repeats to make sure you get each spoke torqued up. I did the front wheel after this task and it took 9 full rotations to get each spoke tightened evenly. Do not tighten more than 1/4 turn on each spoke. Congratulations! You did it! Please comment below if you have any questions. Like and subscribe if this kind of video interests you. And stay dirty.